Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can add money on your Cash App without using a debit card. So there's a way on how you guys can add money on your Cash App. So most people think they need to add the debit card on their Cash App because that's the first thing Cash App asks for you. So most people think that's the only way, but there's a way around, alright? Like you can't use your credit card to add money, but there's another way, which is called your bank. And let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, I want you guys to hit the like and subscribe button to our channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's dive right into the video, shall we? So most people should use this thing if they don't have a debit card, but if they have a bank account. But if you have a debit card, then you can use it because it's the easy way, okay? What you want to do is you want to click on this house looking icon. So in my phone, it's showing this house looking icon, but in your Cash App, it might show you some amount of money. So basically, it shows you the amount of money that is deposited on your Cash App account, all right? So I have $0, that's why it's showing this icon. So click on it. Once you're over here, you want to click on where it says link bank. You want to click on link bank. And once you come over here, the first thing is add your bank using your debit card, which means most people think they need to add the debit card, but no, they don't see this button over here which says no card. You want to click on where it says no card. Now, once you click on no card, this is going to pop up. You just want to click on continue. This is the terms and service. You can read it if you want to. Once you click on continue, it's going to show you all the bank over here. If your bank you're searching for is over here, then you can just click on it. But if it is not, then you can always search for it using your bank's name. So for an example, let's say Chase Bank is my bank and I want to link it with my Cash App. I can click on Chase and enter my user ID and password. After entering my user ID and password, I can click on submit. And if both of them is correct, it's going to be linked to my Cash App account. And once it's linked to my Cash App account, I can use my bank as a form of payment and add cash on my Cash App account using my bank. In this way, I don't have to use my debit card. So yeah, that's the way around. Now, why I said you guys can't use credit card is because to add credit card, you need to add a debit card first. So if you don't have a debit card, then you guys can add a credit card. That's why I'm telling you, you need to use your bank account. That's the only way around. So yeah, that's basically it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then do hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.